But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl D. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I know. Today we're actually gonna do some prank calls again. Alright, so we're jumping at it right now. Zin? Alright, so we are trying to call the first person. I don't hear nothing. Ian Davidson. We are trying to call the first person now. Zin, so I have to listen. Shh.
Hello?
Yes, pleasant good afternoon.
Yeah, man.
You have a daughter named Diane Davison?
Name what?
Diane Davison. Okay, she just met in a car accident, okay? Yes, and you needed to come down at the hospital nearby to you, right? Okay?
Mommy. Which hospital at?
I don't really get the information, but I just get the information about her name and I call you, get a number from you.
I thought which one? So, why is she taking it?
Mandeville Hospital.
Okay, so she don't have hospital?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Critical condition, okay? So you should reach right now, okay?
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, just listen before it starts. Alright, so guys, that was the first one. We'll call somebody else right now, alright? I'm gonna laugh out, man. If she calls. Hello?
Hello.
I can't believe it. You know, say I know one good sister though.
Who's this?
You don't need to know who this. You know one good sister. Cause I can't believe say me pass you and hear you chat your sister Poochie. If you do better.
Yeah. How would you
You don't need to know who this girl. If you do better.
So she stay, man, a long time she chat the girl.
I saw she stay. I don't know how she stays. So if you do better in a girl in a family.
That's when you die.
So they mix up and stay, man.
What you
mix
say?
up.
Oh.
You don't need to know who girl. I pass you and hear you chat your sister. I'm going to tell her you have to tap it.
Pass
Mix
me
up,
away.
man.
Eh?
I must be wrong somebody else talking. I mean, you talk about.
The Poochie your sister name.
I don't know sister girl. I don't know you talk about.
So some hide this.
No.
Liar.
Some Daddy a call back. Daddy a call back. Answer.
Yes. Hello? Pleasant good
Hello.
afternoon. Talking to police station. How can I help you?
Which one police station is? Mandeville police station?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Me call my daughter number look well and I say I know her number that.
Okay, I guess
I
I
know
should
for
call
your
it back because the police, I guess they have it in investigation.
Oh.
Or call it
So call
straight.
it back again.
Call it straight or
Huh?
something. Yes, call it straight or something.
Call that number straight.
Yes, sir.
Then not straight me call number look well.
Okay, I don't know
Should I
why
call
you're
you?
not getting it, but you should try it back though.
Somebody answer your number look well and say I don't see your number.
Okay, I don't sure about that. I will try and see
Yeah.
what is what and call you back, okay?
Hey, oh, so what are you there man the police station now?
I am an officer, sir.
Come here some pit in my background night station.
No,
I'm pitting them.
that's a pitting them. They just leave said no parents of them, so I have them in custody.
You pitting them?
Yes, sir.
Oh, two little boy.
Two little girl.
Okay. Let me
Okay.
talk to one of them. Let me talk to Ariana. Ariana.
Hello?
Ariana?
Come here.
You know, say I told you. Come say two boy, you know, or two girl.
I guess some of them in the department have to wait a little, okay?
I come to the police station then. Where you come to boy?
Consider this that is D.
Say that again?
Consider Mr. Anderson D.
Alright, I'll soon forward.
Okay.
Daddy I come Daddy cheat. Daddy use the head like well no. Daddy use the head. Daddy say if I two boy.
But somebody did it, like Uncle
And then
Peter
daddy
did
say no
it.
man a choke cause the police are two girl.
But no, what you know, me.
Hello? Who is this? Mackerel? Hello?
Who do you want?
Mackerel, I hear say you live in a scheme and I have a be a lesbian girl and so in that area. I don't want nothing like that. I done this around there, okay?
Who's like this one?
You hear me just say a while ago, 'cause I will come there something around there, you know. Just remember you and your friend always around there.
Come over phone.
You hear me just say though. Don't go on like you want to overcome a talk. I'll make something happen to you.
Overcome what?
Alright, go on full of talk. Alright.
Overcome what? What she say? Overcome what? That is not true. Overcome what? You said overcome. Alright, Smaddies.
Yo,
Come on. Lesbian what? Come to my yard. Me? Shh, it's a video now.
Hello?
Pleasant good evening.
Good evening.
I have a warrant out for you. Is Mr. J this?
Something like that?
Okay. I hear that someone come make a statement about you. I need you to come to the Mandev police station 5:30 tomorrow morning, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
I want him man then. Me not laugh. This can't. Me can't do this. Come next Smaddy.
Yeah?
You know your baby father just scratch off a bite though.
Who is here?
You don't need to know who girl. Or me just give the message.
Which one didn't crash?
Mandeville.
Alright.
Hello?
I no come for no attitude and thanks.
Hello?
Big pussy girl come slow. Hello? Hello?
That's how I want to deal with people? Hello?
Hello? Hey girl.
Who this?
You don't need to know who this here. When you stop fuck my man. Hello? You know hear me say?
Continue.
I know say you work down at Universal and I come down there come beat out your blood clots. When I'm for blood clot, Tyrone stop and ask me, I go fuck her up. Dirty girl, you know nothing to say. Dirty girl. Sharice, you boring it? Did I say girl call about your man, you go just slug and go and so? This girl real. How would this ya?
Me answer me no know.
Let me answer. Wait the judge, me so call you back.
No. Put it down.
Put. Okay. Hello?
Hello? Who's this?
Dirty Shan, what the blood clot you call down my phone for? How happen?
Dirty big pussy girl. You wanna run joke with crush. We don't care if you know my name or who wrong cross. Dirty so good girl.
Shan,
Yes.
due to whenever you call the nation with that blood clot try prank, so where you going so far? You know what talk to you?
Pussy Dian.
You know what talk to you?
Dirty Dian.
So where you going so far?
Can you have to run joke with this? You'll kill him.
Girl, stop going like you eat that. Dasha can't dead. Dasha dead for. Dasha idiot. Dasha can blood clot dead over that. You talk like never Jesus. Dasha can blood clot dead over me. Dasha want a man step in her big head. Use one needle and juke her in her middle her mole. Go from your son. Cause you don't know see me alone call you and prank you them type of way the girl. You make sure I come rub me out. Chum call me so good. Me not feel good. Hey girl, don't play me now. Hey, Miss Christine, I know that me never know say I never me get the call. Can you know me that trouble you too? You me, Dalasha, you me friend. Dalasha, you my friend no. If my dialogue call, hear me, Miss Christine, you know Miss Christine. Listen, hear me now, a dirty shot. I consider cause nobody more than record off a dirty shot. She. Anyway, so the stop done the credits. Goodbye. Wow. With a business.
Good evening, who is this?
Okay, I'm Mr. John Altanso from Mandeville Police Station.
Really,
I have a
boy?
warranty out on you. I hear that you have been thieving stolen goods at your house. I need you to come at Mandeville Police Station tomorrow morning, 8 p.m.
Come, sir. Do master. Do.
What
Don't
did you
get
just say?
there. Don't even get there. Don't even get there.
Hello,
No, wrong
ma'am.
number you have.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir. I mean, you have a wrong number. You don't even ask who the person is. You start to jump the
Hello,
gun.
ma'am.
Who
This is
you?
Kalisa, right?
So what are you talking about?
I hear that you have beer, wrong thing on your property, and I need to come check it out with me and my warranty and everything, okay? But all I want to say to you, you need to report at Mandeville Police Station tomorrow morning.
That, sir. Please do have a nice evening. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. I warranty out on you and then.
God go with you for that.
Calicia,
Mm-hmm.
you rank like a dog, you know. We say God go with the rank smarty.
Of course. Right fucking smart.
That can't happen, girl. That will never happen.
You're not there.
Me say me want prank you. I don't know if you call you a prank. Let me just go that way, yeah.
Hey.
Alright, me girl, later. Hey, text me a sister number me prank she, cause she rank.
Alright.
Eh.
Alright.
Yo, who them pick me?
Hello? 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 Alj?
Yeah.
You hearing me?
Yeah, man, you're how old is that?
It's not really important. I just want to tell you that your girlfriend. Alright, you know Kitty though?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know that she pregnant though?
I don't know about that.
Well, I feel pitney and she also have a STD, so you have to go get tested.
What kind of STD that is?
Syphilis.
Oh, alright, that's alright.
Yeah, so you have to get tested. She never knows something call it, because I not too like the girl, but just I tell you. Idiot, I have to tell them say you have syphilis going on. I never know which one is infection from which one is disease. Because I don't know them. I only know about gonorrhea and the syphilis I want to.
Infection.
Yeah, but no, you have to tell Ross. Still a video. No, you have to tell him.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
I'm calling from the 100 man police station. I have a warranty out on you, okay, sir?
Warrant for who?
For you, Michael. This is Michael.
This Michael, lad. Michael, what?
Hello, I don't know your full name, but that's a calling all about to get little information. I hear that you have a stolen bike and robbery and everything. I need you to come to the 100 man police station 8:30 tomorrow morning, okay?
Who is that to?
Mr. Clive Williams.
Clive Williams is for what kind of stolen bike you talking about?
Hello, sir? Hello, sir?
So if I come from private number, I tell about stolen bike.
Hello, sir. I have a warranty on you, and I don't explain myself, and I need you to do what I tell you, and don't let you come at Portmore Lane, okay?
Come on, Portmore Lane.
Hello, sir. Have a good day.
Yeah, man, do another, man. Come on, the way you talk about, brother.
You do not have a stolen bike.
We stolen bike, brother. I tell you, I have papers, documents, everything for my bike, brother. I tell you about stolen bike.
So, how I hear about stolen bike, someone come complain about the bike that you stole, and robbery and every kind of foolishness.
I will answer. Not in my time,
I have a warranty out on you, and as I said, you should be at the station tomorrow morning, 8:30 p.m., okay, sir?
yeah, Siva, you hear me? Siva.
Who is Siva, one of your next Stephen friends?
Brother, look off on my phone, brother. So all the bomb buckle out here, brother.
Sure, Michael, I never.
Oh. You think I Siva, you think I Siva around with my head,
No,
I had it.
There, man. Yo, I prank you, man.
No, man, brother. Oh, brother, man, me also get mad now. I tell a party boy, police boss, oh, push you, come go left now.
Yo, later. I text you.
Alright.
Yeah.
Dee, no, me dey over hospital with Kitty. Me don't know if a corona Kitty catch her about. Kitty nah breathe. Kitty nah respond. Me don't know what do Kitty.
What you there now?
Me dey over hospital.
No, which man hospital?
Over Mandibula Hospital. I pay a crime. My voice not even stay straight.
Who me talk to?
A D man, Kitty friend.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you should do that one?
Okay, so we should put the patient.
Yeah, she did come up here last night.
Alright. Let me know further on.
Alright.
Yeah? Alright.
That's to make you know further on. Me can't. Oh shit, me should I tell him it's a prank.
Nah, cause me no business. You see if I did my brother?
Yeah guys, so this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have yourselves a lovely evening.